Let's learn how to draw Captain Barnacles from Octonauts and learn 10 fun facts about him. Captain Barnacles is a polar bear. He's a brave and kind-hearted leader of the Octonauts crew. He's an expert navigator. Captain Barnacles is great at using maps and charts to explore the ocean. He's super strong. Captain Barnacles can lift heavy objects and even break through ice with his bare paws. He loves adventure. He's always ready to explore new places and help sea creatures in need. He plays the accordion. In his free time, Captain Barnacles enjoys playing music for his crew. He wears a blue uniform. His uniform helps him stay ready for any mission under the sea. He's a great swimmer. Being a polar bear, he's a natural in the water and can swim long distances. He's a caring leader. Captain Barnacles looks after his crew and makes sure everyone is safe. Let's color him up. He has a family. He sometimes talks about his little niece and nephew, Ursa and Orson. He believes in teamwork. Captain Barnacles knows that working together helps solve any problem.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.